cantiknya buat bibirku tak berhenti tersa.
Where are we going, sweetie?
We're going to Chowking.
Chowking?
Yep.
Chowking?
Yep.
Dinner at Chowking?
Yep.
Dinner date?
I mean, you don't like it.
I mean, I didn't say I didn't like it. I just said, you know, it's not the best.
Okay.
Ooh, buttercorn. Screw that, I'm getting buttercorn for dinner.
That's yummy.
Looks yummy. It's Filipino elote. Alright, we're here. This is where we're having dinner. Chowking. And Jollibee is across the street. This is our food at Chowking. Wait, let me open this for the camera. Oh, some fried rice. That was Chowking. All right, sweetie. On our second time eating here, it wasn't that bad.
Have you enjoyed your food already?
The wonton soup was delicious, but Jollibee still has better chicken.
Yep. Still the best.
Also more expensive.
It's not.
No? You don't think so?
No, it's not. The chicken and rice is just like, only for the chicken and the rice, it's just like less than 100. But like here, the chicken and the rice, I'm not sure, I don't think so. How much is it again? But we...
What?
For sure that is like 100 peso. More than 100 peso. Then the Jollibee. Jollibee is still the best and more cheap than Chowking. But their fried rice is really good.
The Chowking
Yep,
fried
I
rice?
like the Chowking.
Chowking fried rice is good.
Yeah, the Chowking.
And it's nice to get fried rice instead of white rice all the time. Boring white rice.
It's like you have an option though to add the toppings, but the Chowking, that's so.
But the point is like after you eat all this delicious street food, it's like why would you even go to Chowking? Or Jollibee for that matter. There's so much good street food to eat. You want to go to this 7-Eleven or you want to go to the other one?
This one.
Why? I like to go to the other one.
Do they have a Yakult already up there?
I don't know.
You wanna try? Okay.
I just want to walk by the bakery and look at the bread.
Okay, let's go.
What's it called? What's the store called?
It's Ukay Ukay.
Ukay Ukay?
Ukay Ukay.
Is this like the Filipino thrift
like,
store? Right?
Like free love clothes.
It's like used clothes.
Yeah.
Only slightly used. I'm gonna get you that bag right there. It says you are my destiny.
Yeah, you're my destiny.
I'm gonna buy you a new purse from here. Slightly used new purse. Oh look, there's shoes back here. See if we can find some new shoes. Oh my goodness. Don't get scared. I'm a vlogger, sweetie. This is what I do. You should be expecting that already.
Oh, it's cute. This looks fine.
Yeah, that is cute. You want it? You can have it.
It's $39.
$39?
I don't know if it's okay for a men's head. I'm not sure.
Oh, what is the price? How much do they want for the shoes? Oh, we're doing a feet video now. This is gonna get like 100 million views. Hold on, it's all blurry. Stop being blurry. Sweetie, if we go viral from this feet video, you're gonna have to do more feet videos. That's the fitting room.
Yang tulus mana